In this video, we're going to talk about what the possible all-time high, what the possible price prediction for Ethereum and other altcoins could be during this current cycle. Lots of people are currently asking me this, understanding that I have gone ahead and already months ago, back in July, I predicted why Bitcoin was trading at about $10,000, that it would trade up to $18,000 in 2020. We have since reached that target. If you're not familiar with my work and you're wondering at what price and why I've put out a price prediction of $140,000 for Bitcoin during this cycle. Now, I do believe in setting goals that I believe are achievable. In this video over here, at what price will you sell your Bitcoin during the next bull cycle? I talk about why I believe is $160,000 is the top of the cycle. Now, the model could break to the upside. Again, I always look to put out there goals that I believe that can be achieved. As with the 18,000, right? We nailed it. Here's my reason being for why I said that. You could see back in September, people were like, Jordan, do you still have 18,000 as your target? And I was like, absolutely. And I explained why. Here we are right now. People are wondering now, what are my price targets for Ethereum and other altcoins? And I have to be honest, this is what I'm going to show you over here. I cannot put a number on it as I have been able to with Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, I believe because of the math, I'm able to go out there and place a number of what my expectations are with the realistic knowledge that, listen, maybe it doesn't work out like that. So far, so good, right? Or that perhaps the model breaks to the upside. Fantastic. But again, if Bitcoin trades to the goals we have set out, everyone should have met their objectives, no question about it. If you look at Ethereum and if you're wondering what the price might be for this cycle, all I could say to you is this. This is looking at Bitwise investments. They have over here the Bitwise top 20. These are all coins, whether you look at the top 70 or the top 100. This is what I want to focus on with you right now. This is going to really illustrate my point with you. I'm focused here on the top 10 altcoins and the top 20. Okay, and you can see over here, as we're saying, alt season has begun. Look at alt starting to get away from Bitcoin. You can see that happening right now. Now, I want to focus on this. Let me go ahead and even make this clearer for you. This is just the top 10. You could see the top 20 outperform the top 10 by a large margin. The top 20 altcoins, a basket of them, outperform the top 10 by a large margin. Here's the top 70. You could see the top 70 outperform the top 20 also by a large margin. I'm focusing on over here on the top 10 just to make this clear for you. I've said this for the past year multiple times. This is what I want you to focus on. Why I cannot put any type of price target on Ethereum or any other altcoin and only can with Bitcoin. What I can tell you is that alt season seems to last a couple of weeks later than the top of Bitcoin. So as we're exiting Bitcoin, and on this channel, I'm going to be explaining when I exit and why I'm exiting. No question about it. I always look to take everyone with me. You are important to me. There's no question I'm going to be there explaining what I'm doing and why I'm doing it in real time. What I want you to be aware of as we exit Bitcoin, right, is you're going to be getting ready to exit your altcoins, because the alt cycle right over here, the peak of Bitcoin was more or less somewhere around, right over here at December 17th. And over here, the peak of the altcoins was a little bit later. Let's call it over here. Where is that? Let's call it January 6th, 2 weeks later, right? So as we're exiting Bitcoin is the time to go ahead and exit altcoins, in my opinion. And I don't know what those prices will be. I have no idea. I think you're better off not having any idea yourself, not trying to time this. Speculation will be running rampant. Price discovery will be off the wall. I think the best exit you could get is as we exit Bitcoin, get ready to get out of your altcoin positions as well.